Come the UP Lady Maroons, trying to stay alive here in this do-or-die set for them.
That everyone going to work here in the third set.
Even the sophomore, Princess May set, joining the action. Jennifer Makatuno coming in for Pisa. Apparently, Mami Dulce has seen enough, and perhaps we can expect that more and more of the starters will come in slowly as this set progresses. Araneta to serve for UP. Listana pops it up for Adamson University. This is a free ball for the Lady Maroons. Magtalas. Oh, too low once again.
Didn't even clear the net there for Palad. There was no way the ball will clear the net.
Ana Emilia Tugonon serving.
Tugonon. Magtalas sets to the left. This is Se. Pounding it off that block. Pineda.
Ramos on speed shot.
Point for UP after this hit there by Makatuno, changing the trajectory of that volleyball as it was on its way down.
Joyce Pala for UP.
9-5. UP just has to try their best to build an early lead and have a cushion here. Pineda breaking through that block.
Of course, for Coach Dulce, she doesn't want to risk losing the third set. If there's anything, she wants to close this out in straight sets, just like in their first meeting last November 30.
Makatuno goes to Sheila Pineda. Southlyn Ramos able to keep it alive. She will get a chance here. Makatuno to the middle. Faye Guevara. Oh! Miss hit there for South Ramos.
Lady Falcons inching closer. Marlene Cortez.
What was a 4-point lead has cut to half, but Adamson University giving UP some chances here. 10-7 in favor of the Lady Maroons.
For the Lady Maroons.
Lady Maroons on a 10-game losing streak dating back to February 5, 2011. The last time UP notched a win.
Of course, they're looking to break that
11-7 with the Lady Maroons on
losing streak. Hopefully today, if they do win the third set, they can extend this match into 5 sets.
UP's record last year, 3 wins, 11 losses. But they did have that magical win against UST.
And
Guevara hits it out. Well,
that was actually such a good game for these girls.
It was a 5-setter.
5-point advantage.
I remember that game. UP defeating UST last year. UST was a team that figured in the finals. Very strong UST team, UP, with that magical win in season 73. Right now, it's a different story. As the rest of the opposition in the UAAP not giving UP any chances to have a super upset. But right now, UP with a 6-point advantage. Pineda. Magtalas goes to Se.
Outside shot.
That was underneath the ball.
Now Soriano comes back in. Vasquez take a breather.
Faye Guevara to serve for the Lady Falcons.
Pineda. Magtalas to Se. It's gonna be a free ball for the Lady Maroons. It's a back set.
That hits the line.
Poor call there by Pineda. He was expecting the ball to be outside.
Serving 8.
And
Princess
with a little
Fair
luck,
for UP.
Lady Maroons have a 6-point lead here in this make or break set number 3 for them.
+1 for Adamson.
They do not want to let this opportunity slip away. But service errors like that will not help their cause.
Sheila Pineda for the Lady Falcons.
Barely getting over that net, sliding through the tape. Soriano pounding it off that double block. Magtalas goes to the middle.
Hard to reach.
Missed set there by Magtalas.
Look at this.
Too high there.
Ball was on its way over as well.
At the serve.
Magtalas could not get to it in time. Ramos was the one who set that one up. Soriano pushing that volleyball over that double block. And nobody there
Pineda serving.
to cover from behind. Nicely dug up there by Sheila Pineda. Togonon.
Togonon.
The 16-year-old able to get that one through the net off the tape.
This lefty just managing to put it over.
Timeout.
Let's
UP
listen in on this
score,
timeout.
14. UP 12. Adamson.
Walang tulak mo kagad ng mabilis. Okay, so hindi mangyayari ito. Bigyan mo sa open. At least naka-ready ka na ngayon. So, bigyan mo sa open. Kailangan lang bilis. Tapos good ball. Good reception time muna.
Tara, sabi ko sa iyo, di ba? Just keep on talking kung anong kailangan gawin ninyo. Okay? Now, once you force yourself, okay, you cannot go stronger and better than what you're doing now. You just play as what you should be always be doing. Okay? Yun lang yun.
Hey, let's go, guys.
You see? Over sa kabila.
Sheila.
Vip Isada really trying to get himself involved and trying to motivate the ladies this afternoon against Adamson University. For he knows it will be a very difficult climb should they go down with 0 wins and 9 losses here in season 74. Magtalas. Soriano. Oh!
Soriano at the net.
Soriano very active. Immediately sending that one back. And Adamson has chopped down that
Sana lang.
6-point
Serve.
UP advantage into a 1-point deficit.
Oh, but with that service error,
Up by 1.
still a lucky break here for UP.
You still have
Henido.
a great opportunity to stay alive here in set number 3. 15-13, Henido. Togonon digging that one up. She'll get it back from Makatuno. Magtalas now sets way left to Araneta. Vasquez. Pineda keeping that one alive. It's a free ball for UP. Magtalas. Oh, she stepped
Crossing
on the line.
violation. Magtalas.
Crossing over.
Her momentum was bringing her towards the net.
Service. Adamson.
Now
May
Makatuno and the rest of the Lady Falcons will try to tie this one up. Araneta again. Vasquez. Cleaning that one up. Oh!
Outside shot by
Togonon knows
Togonon.
flick of the wrist in that last attempt.
UP
Second technical
still
timeout.
sticking
Score,
with it. They are
16.
up by
UP
2.
14. Adamson.